Hello customers and friends. Budget on the leap year date February 29, 2016 has been a very interesting one. First, the finance minister has controlled the fiscal deficit for next year at 3.5% of GDP. This is very commendable and a positive for interest rates in the economy. I expect, as a follow-through of this, the Reserve Bank to consider dropping of interest rates and repo rates sometime in March. Post that, I do believe that this will help the bank's balance sheets, since banks own large number of government bonds. Also, the focus of the finance minister on the 9 main items, which include rural growth, infrastructure, the whole area of financial sector reform, social infrastructure, healthcare, education, are steps to a strong foundation for our future. In the immediate follow-through of this budget, I think what will happen is, from an Indian point of view, this is a big boost for sustainable growth of Indian financial savings. However, the counterpoint is global headwinds continue to be quite a bit. And in a way, the budget being out of the way, we are now really having to face the challenges of what happens in the rest of the world. We have also got to keep in mind that this budget is clearly pro-farmer, pro-rural India, at the same time not hurting markets. The higher income Indians will have to pay more taxes, including on dividends, but that, as an Indian, I believe that Indians must contribute to fixing India's fiscal house once and for all. I feel positive about this budget, and if I have to take a long-term view, this is a very important step in the right direction. Simultaneously, the government has given all people who have unaccounted income in India a one-time opportunity to come clean at a 45% tax rate. In addition, there is an expectation that there will also be settlements on tax cases of international companies with the Indian government coming out of retrospective taxation. So some of these, I think, will help increase the credibility of India and putting India on a sustainable path. This is a very important step taken by this government at what is roughly the midpoint or close to the midpoint of their tenure. I wish each of the equity investors, the bond investors, and every investor in Indian financial savings to have a great future, and I would consider this budget a big positive in that direction.